Learn 5 new C1 words today. Meaning, examples, and a short story for each word. We use spaced repetition, so you'll meet these words again in future videos. Let's begin with the first word. Resilience. The ability to recover quickly from difficulties or problems.
She showed great resilience after losing her job. Children often have more resilience than adults. His resilience helped them finish the project successfully.
After a failed product launch, the team showed resilience. They analyzed mistakes and adjusted the roadmap. Within a quarter, metrics improved and confidence returned. Can you come up with your own sentence using resilience? Perfect! Let's check out the second word. Assert. To state something firmly and confidently.
He asserted that the results were accurate. The brand asserted ownership of the new trademark. The manager asserted that the plan would work.
During the negotiation, Anna asserted her position clearly. She explained why her team's proposal was the best option. The client respected her confidence and agreed to the plan. Can you use assert in a sentence? Well done! Time for the third word. Ambiguous. Having more than one possible meaning, not clear.
His answer was ambiguous and confused the audience. Her ambiguous remark left several interpretations possible. The results were ambiguous and required further analysis.
Julia asked Mark if he liked her painting. He gave an ambiguous reply, "It's interesting." She couldn't tell whether it was praise or criticism. Can you make your own sentence with ambiguous? Well done! Time for the fourth word. Predominantly. Mostly or mainly.
The audience was predominantly young people. The region is predominantly agricultural. The meeting was predominantly informal.
The region is predominantly covered by forests. In autumn, the trees turn bright red and yellow. Photographers come from everywhere to capture the beauty. How would you use predominantly in a sentence? Okay, now it's time for an idiom of the day to finish our lesson. Get the ball rolling. To start an activity, project, or process.
We need someone to get the ball rolling on this project. She got the ball rolling by asking the first question. We must get the ball rolling to meet the deadline.
At the strategy meeting, no one wanted to speak first. Finally, Maria shared an idea that got the ball rolling. Soon, everyone joined in with their suggestions. Today we've learned resilience, assert, ambiguous, predominantly, get the ball rolling. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe, and see you tomorrow for more C1 words.